I'm in Windows 11 and I'm going to click on File Explorer, and we see these default folders here at the top. And if I right click and go to Properties, we can see the location of where they're going to be saved. So we see by default it's going to be saved in the users and the username followed by Documents. But what if you wanted to change that to another location where maybe it's going to get backed up every night? So all you have to do is go in and say put in either another location on the C drive. For instance, I'll change it to Windows, or I could put it into what's called a UNC path. So I've changed the path to be this UNC path, which is / / followed by the name of the server, followed by the share name. It could also be the $$ share name if it's not a shared folder. And so now I've got this location where I can save all my documents. And then every night they'll be backed up. Now it's asking me if I want to move any files that are currently in the local drive into that new location. I'll click yes. And now they're all gone from the local C drive, and now they're being saved onto the server. You could also do this to another computer. You could do it to another part of your computer, another drive on your computer, whatever works best for you. Now take a look at this little circle here with these redirections on it. That shows that it's not being saved locally like the downloads folder is. It's being saved off to another location. So that's how you redirect your folders from your local drive to another location in Windows 11.